Hey guys, here's a quick training to show you how to withdraw your funds on SCF and then how to restake them. So you go to your profit screen in the middle of the app, the bottom middle of the app, and you want to go to the top orange boxes and make sure you withdraw from all of your potential profits. So first go over to My Mining at the top left. In the middle, you will see your total mining. This one says 5.9 SCF. Then right under that, it says the released mining. It's 1.5. Unreleased is 4.3. That will continuously be released until December when that full amount is released. Under there, you see extracted and not extracted. Extracted is what has been pulled out and put into your wallet. Not extracted is what is still available to get pulled out and put into your wallet. So we're going to hit mining withdrawal. It will show you the amount that's being extracted. You hit extract. You put in the password, and we are going to pause the recording for that. Okay, so once you put in the password, that's it. Now you can see that the not extracted has turned into 0 SCF. So that means the funds have been placed into your wallet. You hit the back arrow at the top left to take you back to your profit screen. Okay. And your wallet is going to be at the bottom right. We're not going to go there right now. We're going to keep going through all of the potential places where there are funds to be extracted. And then we're going to, at one time, restake all of them. Okay. So at the top right, it says team reward 1.88 SCF. We're going to go and click that arrow. It shows you again what has been extracted. The total available is 1.88 SCF. The amount that's been extracted is 0 SCF. Not extracted is 1.88. And it breaks it down by direct referrals and indirect referrals. So your the people that you personally refer, you earn 15%. The indirect or the people that they refer you earn the 10%. And it also showed you what you earned for yesterday. So we're going to hit rewards withdrawal. It shows you how much is coming out. There's a 5% fee. You hit extract. And then it gives you another summary to show you what the estimated amount that will be going into your wallet after the fee. So it's 1.79. Hit extract again, and you enter your password. We're going to press this pause button. Okay, password's in, hit OK, and it says successful. All right, so you're going to hit the back arrow at the top left. And the last withdrawal to complete for this one. Okay, and just a breakdown. My mining is for anyone who had nodes. Those are the funds, the earnings that you get on your nodes. Your team rewards is if you referred anyone to the SCF or FinTalk platform, those are the earnings from referring people. And then your total staking rewards, those are the funds that you put into the staking, and you're earning anywhere from 1% to 1.4% daily. So under total staking rewards, it shows 63 FUSD. And so we're going to hit the arrow to go to that screen. Okay, at the top, it says redeem. Redeem is if you are taking your principal amount out. So the amount that you put into stake, that is how you remove that under redeem. But if you're just withdrawing your profits, which you can do every single day, you can withdraw your profits. You're going to go and move down the screen a little bit. It shows you that there are 63 FUSD in this wallet. That's in orange. Underneath there, it shows you the extracted column. And then on the right-hand side, it shows you what has not been extracted. It's important to note there are two different ways that you can get paid, and that determines how much you get paid each day. There is the FUSD, which is the stable coin tied to the US dollar that FinTech offers. And then there's the SCF coin. That is their native token tied to the FinTech blockchain or SCF blockchain. And when they pay you in that coin, that is when you get paid the most. So most people are opting to use that as their payment option so they can earn 1.4% a day. And it shows you that there is 1.04 SCF available in this wallet. All right, yesterday's earnings, it shows you that, but that's not quite correct. That's because it's getting ready to get updated for today. All right, so hit withdrawal income. Under here, it says withdrawal income. It's confirming, are you going to be withdrawing your SCF main? Or if you hit the drop down menu, you have an option to withdraw your FUSD. And you can see when I hit FUSD, there's no coins available to get withdrawn there. So I'm going to go with the FCF main. You hit confirm. We're going to pause the recording. Okay, I put the password in, and now you can see there's 0 SCF available to be extracted, and or excuse me, that says not extracted, and then it shows you extracted is 1.04 SCF. So hitting the back arrow at the top left is going to take us back to the profit screen, but we want to go down to the bottom right and go to wallet. This is now where all the funds are. And in order to go through the process and restake funds, we need to move coins from one place to another to get them in a position to go ahead and stake. With the quick pledging, you need a minimum of $100 in either FUSD or one of the USDTs. So I'm going to walk through the process of moving coins from one wallet to another so that we can go ahead and pledge as much of this $190, or excuse me, stake as much of this $190 as possible. So the first part of this process is switching the coins from SCF Fin to SCF Main. You simply do that by going to the top of the page and hitting swap. So you have transfer, receive, and the third button is swap. Okay, and so SCF Fin is at the top. Sometimes when you open the screen, it will not be at the top. So you would hit the up and down in the middle of the screen. There's a up and down orange arrows that you can press on that will change what appears at the top of the screen. So I just hit it, and now SCF Main is at the top. Hit it again, and SCF Fin is at the top. So we're going to put in, it always tells you the balance that's available for each coin right underneath. So this one says the balance available is 2.19 SCF. So we're going to place that in here. And it tells you in exchange, you'll receive 2.19 SCF main. You hit local wallet in green off to the right side. That puts the wallet address there. And now you hit swap. Next step, put in your password. Okay, so now that's done. Those funds have been swapped from SCF Fin to FCF Main, the stablecoin. And when you go back, hit the back arrow at the top left, you'll see in the wallet, they've moved from the SCF Fin wallet over to the SCF Main. Now we need to move them to either FUSD or a USDT coin. And so we're going to scroll down and look at the wallet and see what makes the most sense. Okay, so there's no USDT really in this wallet. So the next step is I'm going to show you how to move the coins from SCF main to FUSD main. All right, so at the bottom of your screen, you have your home button. And right next to that is SCF. Click on SCF. Okay. At the top of your screen, you have 4 options in orange. You have quick pledge, and the second option is SCF exchange. Go ahead and hit SCF exchange. And we're going to be moving the coins from your SCF main wallet to your FUSD main wallet. Remember when I talked about sometimes the coins will not be in the right place, so you have to hit the orange up and down arrows to have them swap positions. So after I hit this orange up and down arrows, SCF main appears at the top and it shows you right underneath the gray box that the balance is 3.64 coins. I'm going to put in 3.64 to see if it allows us to exchange that amount. We may need to reduce it so that there's enough money for gas. So I put 3.64 at the top. Underneath it says you should expect to receive $220 in FUSD main. So hit exchange, put in your password. Okay, after you put your password in, it will show you your exchange record. You see at the bottom of the screen, it says September 8th at 15:03 p.m. that it's confirming that exchange on the blockchain. Okay, so we can go back to wallet and we can see that the coins left from the SCF main wallet at the top, we're waiting for them to show up in the FUSD. When it shows up in the FUSD, it will not appear as a part of your balance at the top of your screen in orange, right? So we now can see that the coins are available in FUSD main at the bottom of our screen, and we are ready to stake. In order to stake coins, you need to have some gas money. And boy, we messed up there a little bit. I need to send some of those coins back so that we have gas money available in FCF main. So you see, everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. We just go back to the SCF button at the bottom. And we're going to keep it on SCF exchange. We're going to keep it at FUSD main because we're going to send some funds back to SCF main so that they'll be available for gas money. And let's say $3. Yep, that's enough. According to the last transaction that you need 0.034 SCF main. It's nice to have a little leftover extra in there. I'm actually going to do $5. So if there's a transaction that needs to be done in the future, there's a little bit extra there. So this will put 0.08 SCF main, and hopefully the fee for this will come above that. So hit exchange, put in your password. Okay, so after you put in your password, and we're going to go back and see now there are funds available in SCF main for gas fees. If you are using USDTs, any of the USDTs to stake, you will need the corresponding coin. So USDT TRC 20, you'll need Tron for gas money. USDT BEP20, you'll need BNB for gas money. And then USDT ERC20, you need ETH for gas money. We're not using those, so the only coin that we'll need is the SCF main for gas funds. And we have our FUSD at the bottom. So go ahead and hit profit in the middle. You're going to go to liquidity pledge, which is the third field underneath the orange sections that we were looking at earlier. And so you hit liquidity pledge. And at the top, it gives you an option for what you are going to use to pledge your funds. There's the drop-down menu next to USDT BEP20, and we have our funds in FUSD main. So you click there. Underneath where you just hit the drop-down menu, it shows you your balance. So you don't have to guess and switch between screens, which is awesome. So your balance in this case is 215. You can put whole numbers, no change. Okay. And then it gives you an option. Here's your expected earnings, 13.6 in the liquidity pool, but the pledge period is for 30 days, a daily return of 1.4% a day. You can change it by hitting the drop down arrow and then switching to whichever option. This one is 15 days, you're earning 1.2%. We don't want that. We're going to go back to the 30 days at 1.4%. You go ahead and hit quick pledge. Again, it gives you another confirmation. This is 30 days at 1.4%, 15.78 in FUSD. The income period is 0.04 SCF per day. The time frame that it expires, the estimated total revenue is 1.4 SCF that will be earned through this whole transaction. And then the toggle button where it says recharge function, you can have this recharge for every 30 days, or you can turn it off and let it in. Some people may have it where they are going in every week to compound funds. If you're doing that, but you have a contract that has another 3 weeks left to go, and you want to withdraw all of those funds at the end of that first contract's 30-day period, let's say that's October 8th or, October 1st. Well, this one you may want to only put for 14 days and not put the recharge function on. So then on October 1st, you can end that contract and then start it for a 7-day contract to end on October 8th and have both contracts end at that time. So you can put all the funds together and put them back in as one contract or one staking amount that earns more money. All right, so hit confirm, enter your password. Once you enter your password, you will see under quick pledge, your records show up under my pledge record. In that first box, it's showing that amount that you just tried to pledge is processing. Underneath the previous transaction says pledged in red. So just wait here to see when it says pledged. You want to confirm that it says pledged and that your money is working for you.